All right, in these problems, we're being asked to find the y-intercept of these two equations. Now, the problem is these equations are written in point-slope form instead of slope-intercept form. So we're gonna have to convert them in order to find the y-intercept. So what does slope-intercept form look like? We're trying to make this equation look like y equals mx plus b, because what we know in y equals mx plus b, b is the y-intercept. So if we can just rearrange these numbers, these values, and put it into this form, making it look like y equals mx plus b, we'll know exactly what our y-intercept is. So that's exactly what we need to do with both of these problems. We need to distribute, clean up the right side. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. A negative 2 times a negative 1 makes a positive 2. Remember, a negative times a negative is a positive. So all we're doing is distributing on the right side. On the left side, we can just bring our information down, y minus 2 equals. And now if I can get that minus 2 or negative 2, however you want to look at that value, that term, if I can get that to move over to this side, we'll know what our b is, because y will be isolated all by itself. So we're going to add 2, inverse operate to cancel, add 2 over here, leave me with y equals negative 2x plus 4. So the question was, find the y-intercept. Now that I have it in the form I need it in, I can say my y-intercept with this problem is 4, because it matches with the b. Let's go over to this one that has a fraction in it, which can cause some confusion or struggles amongst kids. 1/4 times x. Don't let fractions scare you away. 1/4 times x is just 1/4 x. 1/4 times 8. Take the whole number, multiply it by the top number, also known as the numerator. So 8 times 1 makes 8 over 4. Keep the bottom the same. So a whole number times a fraction, just this times the top, keep it the same on the bottom. Well, what's 8 divided by 4? 2. So just change it to a 2 right now. Too often kids get stuck there. They'll leave it as a fraction. Why would you leave 8 divided by 4 a fraction? It's really just 2. So make it simple. That's why we call it simplifying. Okay, so now we got y minus 3 on the left side. Think about what we did over here. We had to get y by itself. So we cleaned up the right. We simplified everything over here. We've already done that. Now we just got to get rid of minus 3. Well, opposite of minus 3 is plus 3. That will cancel it. Add 3 over here. And now we have y equals 1/4 x plus 5. So what was the question again? What's the y-intercept? So we just go and we say, where's my b? And y equals mx plus b. B is the isolated constant. The constant that's all by itself, plus 5. So our y-intercept in this case is 5. Hopefully this makes sense. Study hard and good luck on your upcoming test.